A very unusual test recently took place at California's Mojave Air and Spaceport, where one of the world's largest aircraft teamed up with Porsche's upcoming all-electric Cayenne Turbo Electric. The goal wasn't just to show off speed, it was to prove just how precise modern engineering can be when two incredible machines work together. The massive Stratolaunch Roc aircraft is unlike anything else in the sky. With its enormous twin fuselages, a wingspan of 385 feet, and 6 powerful jet engines producing over 340,000 pounds of thrust, Roc was built to carry hypersonic vehicles and spacecraft high into the atmosphere. Parked beneath its giant wings was Porsche's prototype Cayenne Turbo Electric, packing 2 electric motors that deliver an impressive 1,139 horsepower and 1,500 newton-meters of torque. The SUV can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and comes equipped with active aerodynamics and optional carbon ceramic brakes to handle extreme performance. Engineers at Stratolaunch had discovered something fascinating during testing. As Roc accelerates for takeoff and landing, a small pocket of relatively calm air forms behind its main landing gear. They believed that a fast and stable vehicle could stay inside that moving air pocket. And that idea turned into an ambitious experiment. Former Porsche factory driver Patrick Long took on the challenge. Working closely with Stratolaunch's ground crew and pilots through constant radio communication, he carefully positioned the electric SUV beneath the aircraft as it prepared for takeoff. Once Roc gathered speed, Long activated the Cayenne's boost mode and accelerated to stay perfectly aligned beneath the landing gear. As the giant aircraft lifted into the sky, the SUV remained remarkably stable despite the changing airflow. Long later explained that when the aircraft's engines shifted after takeoff, he felt a powerful jolt, but the Cayenne stayed composed. Before he realized it, the speedometer had climbed past 170 miles per hour. He quickly backed off the throttle and relied on the SUV's carbon ceramic brakes to slow down before reaching the end of the runway. Landing was even more demanding. Long had to time everything perfectly, joining the runway at exactly the right moment so the Cayenne would slide into position beneath Roc's landing gear just as the aircraft touched down. With the Stratolaunch crew providing continuous guidance over the radio, the team successfully repeated the maneuver through multiple takeoffs and landings. Even after all that high-speed driving, the Cayenne used only 13% of its battery. Patrick Long described the experience as one of the most intense moments of his driving career. He said success depended on complete trust in the engineers, the vehicle, and the flight crew. Stratolaunch's chief test pilot, Jonathan Bierce, was equally impressed. From inside Roc's cockpit, he could barely see the SUV below, but the recorded footage later showed the Cayenne had stayed exactly where it needed to be. After getting behind the wheel himself, Bierce also praised the electric SUV's incredible acceleration. This wasn't about setting a speed record. It was a demonstration of timing, teamwork, and precision at the highest level. By combining one of the largest aircraft ever built with Porsche's next-generation electric performance SUV, the test showcased just how far modern engineering has come.